The period without a documented evidence of its history is called prehistoric period. Protohistoric period is the period having shreds of evidence of a script which is still not deciphered. Protohistoric refers to the period between prehistoric and historical period. The time after which we get documented description is called historic period. Stone Age comes under the prehistoric period. Indus Valley civilization and Copper Age culture comes under the protohistoric period. The historical period starts from Vedic culture. In India, the research on Stone Age civilization started at first in 1863. The whole Stone Age has been categorized into three parts on the basis of difference of tools used. These are Paleolithic period, Mesolithic period, and Neolithic period. Paleolithic period is further categorized into three periods on the same basis. The Lower Paleolithic period, hand axe, cleaver, chopper, etc. The Middle Paleolithic period, piercer, points, drill, borer, scraper, etc. The Upper Paleolithic period, burins, chisel, etc. Chopper chopping pebble pieces of tools were at first obtained from Sohan River Valley of Punjab, Pakistan. At first, hand axe pieces of equipment were found in Vada Madurai and Atirapakkam near Madras. Other tools of this culture are cleaver, scraper, etc. Robert Bruce Foote was a British geologist and archaeologist. The expedition of L. Cambridge team under the leadership of D. Terra did the most important research in Sohan Valley in 1935. In Balan Valley, the research was carried under the direction of G. R. Sharma of Allahabad University. Nearly 44 archaeological sites were found in this valley, which is related to the lower Paleolithic period. Apart from tools, the statue of bone made mother goddess of this age was obtained from Lohanda Nala region of Balan Valley, which is currently preserved at the Kaushambi Museum. The life of Paleolithic people was completely natural. They were primarily dependent on hunting. They were unfamiliar with fire, so they ate raw meat. Paleolithic people were unfamiliar with farming and animal husbandry. We came to know about Mesolithic period only after C.L. Carlyle discovered the rock painting from Vindhya region. According to the excavated evidence, the domestication of animals began in the Mesolithic period. The earliest pieces of evidence of domestication of animals in India have been found at Adamgarh, Hoshangabad, MP, and Bagor, Bhilwara, Rajasthan. A large number of implements made of bones and horns have been found from the Mesolithic site Mahadaha, located in Pratapgarh district of UP. The book entitled Puratatva Vimarsh, written by Dr. Jay Narayan Pandey, describes various pointed objects and ornaments made of bones which have been reported from Sarai Naharai, Damdama, and Mahadaha. Damdama is a Mesolithic site in Pratapgarh district of UP. In Damdama, 41 human graves have been found. Out of these graves, 5 are double burial. One triple burial grave is also found here. A grave with 4 human skeletons has been found at Sarai Nahar Rai. The megaliths usually refer to the burials made up of large stones in graveyards away from the habitation area. A large fraction of these is assumed to be associated with burial or post burial rituals, including memorials for those whose remains may or may not be available. Some of these are chamber tomb, dolmens, stone alignment, stone circle, cromlech, pit circles, etc. According to Puratat Vimarsh by J. N. Pandey, 17 human skeletons were found from rock shelter 1 of Lekhaya in the Vindhya region. Some of these were in relatively pristine condition, while most of the others were warped. According to John R. Lucas of Oregon University, USA, remnants of 27 human skeletons were found in Lekhaya. The rock shelters of Bhimbetka are located 55 km west of Bhopal. UNESCO has included the shell pictures of Bhimbetka in the list of its World Heritage. These caves exhibit the earliest traces of human life on the Indian subcontinent and include the pictures of an elephant, sambar, deer, etc. Grains were first ever produced in Neolithic age. It was the time when people were introduced to agriculture. Koldhiva and Mehergarh in Pakistan, Balochistan were the two Neolithic villages from where clear pieces evidence of rice and wheat have been found. There are mainly eight types of food grains consumed by modern human society, namely barley, wheat, maize, millet, sorghum, mustard, oat, and rice. These crops were present in the form of weed in different areas, which were later grown as seed by a human being at different places at different times. Barley was the first grain to be cultivated by human beings during 8000 BC in West Asian countries located between the northeast Mediterranean Sea and Iran. Later in the same area, wheat was also cultivated around 8000 BC. Rice was the third grain to be cultivated by human beings in approximately 7000 BC at the Yangtze River in China. Maize was cultivated in Central and South America during 6000 BC. The first evidence of maize was found in Mexico. Millet in 5500 BC in China, sorghum in 5000 BC in East Africa, mustard in 5000 BC in Southeast Asia, and oat in 2300 BC in Europe. According to the latest research, the earliest evidence of agriculture in Indian subcontinent was reported from the Lahura Deva site in Sant Kabir Nagar district, Uttar Pradesh. The evidence of human activity and beginning of rice cultivation at this site dated back to around 9000 to 7000 BC. Significantly, before this research, the earlier evidence of wheat was found at Mehergarh, located in Baluchistan, Pakistan, belonging to around 7000 BC, and the earliest evidence of rice is known to be near the bank of river Belan, district Allahabad, from where rice bran was found dating back to 6500 BC. The cultural remains from Stone Age to Harappan civilization have been found in Mehergarh, located in Baluchistan, Pakistan. The Burja home site is a prehistoric settlement in the village of the same name in Kashmir Valley. Both human and animal skeletons were found here with trepanning bored holes marks. In many pits, bones of dogs and antelope and deer were found along with human skeletons. The skeletons of humans were found in the burial pits in a sitting position along with bones of animals. The first excavation at the Borja home site was carried out by Helmut de Terra and Dr. Thomas Patterson in the year 1935. The people of Jorvi culture lived in large rectangular houses with wattle and daub walls and thatched roof. They believed in life after death and therefore buried the dead inside the houses under the floor. Children were buried in two urns that were joined mouth to mouth and set horizontally in the pit, while adults were placed in a supine position with the head towards the north. These sites were found in Damabad, Inamgaon, Chandoli, Nevasa, etc. The ash mounds have been found from a Neolithic site, Sangana Kallu, located in Velari district near Mysore in Karnataka. They have also been found in Piklihal and Utnur. These ash mounds are the burnt relics of seasonal camps of Neolithic herdsman community. Fire was first used as in the Neolithic period. Copper was the first metal used. Copper age is also known as the Chalcolithic age. The age in which instruments of copper were used in addition to stone is called as Copper age. Settlements of Chalcolithic period in India were found in southeast Rajasthan, western Madhya Pradesh, western Maharashtra, and southeast India. Navdatoli has revealed excellent evidence of both round and rectangular residential structures which are located near Indore. The former measures about 3 meter in diameter and the later is 2 by 2.2 meter. The roofs were probably made of hay, tree branches and leaves and were supported on massive wooden posts, 22 centimeter in diameter raised at regular intervals around the huts. The open spaces between the posts were provided with mud plastered bamboo screens. The house floors were made up of silt clay and river gravel with the surface coated with lime. The huts were provided with one or two mouthed chulhas as well as storage jars and other earthen vessels. Ochre colored pottery, known to archaeologists as OCP, as the name implies, its main distinguishing feature was its ochre color. Other characteristics are its porous character and the fact that it is invariably worn out at the edges. Most of its evidence is mainly found from Atranjikheda and Hastinapur. The archaeologicals The Archaeological Survey of India ASI under the Ministry of Culture is a premier organization for the archaeological researches and protection of the cultural heritage of the nation. In 1861, the Archaeological Survey was established as a separate department, and Alexander Cunningham was appointed as its first Director General. In 1901, during the tenure of Lord Curzon, it was centralized as Archaeological Survey of India, and John Marshall was appointed in 1902 as its first Director General. National Human Museum, which was renamed as Indira Gandhi National Human Museum, is located in Bhopal, MP. It is an autonomous organization under the Department of Culture. Now the questions are: Robert Bruce Foote, who discovered first Paleolithic tool in India, was an answer will be geologist as well as archaeologist. Robert Bruce Foote was a British geologist and archaeologist. He is considered as the father of Indian prehistory. He was associated with the Survey and documented the antiquities of the Stone Age. The three age system divided into stone, bronze, and iron from the collection of Copenhagen Museum was coined by Thomson. According to Commission report, present archaeological system of the three main ages, stone, bronze, and iron, was developed by the Danish archaeologist Christian Jørgensen Thomsen in 1818 and 1820. He classified object of museum in 1836. According to the excavated evidence, the domestication of animal began in answer will be Mesolithic period. According to the excavated evidence, the domestication of animals began in the Mesolithic period. The earliest pieces of evidence of domestication of animals in India have been found at Adamgarh, Hoshangabad, MP, and Bagor, Bhilwara, Rajasthan. Which among the following sites provide evidence of domestication of animals in the Mesolithic period? Answer will be Bagor. In Mesolithic context, evidence of animal domestication has been found at answer is Adamgarh. From which one of the following sites bone implements have been found? Answer is Mehdaha, Sarai Naharra. A large number of implements made of bones and horns have been found from the Mesolithic site Mehdaha and Sarai Naharra, located in Pratapgarh district of UP. The book entitled Puratatva Vimarsh, written by Dr. J. Narayan Pandey, describes various pointed objects and ornaments made of bones which have been reported from Sarai Naharrai, Damdama, and Mehdaha. Bone made goddess was found in Lohanda Nala region. Bone ornaments in the Mesolithic context in India have been obtained from Mehdaha. Three human skeletons in a single grave were recovered at Damdama. Damdama is a Mesolithic site in Pratapgarh district of Uttar Pradesh. In Damdama, 41 human graves were found. Out of these graves, 5 are double burial, 1 triple burial grave also found here. A grave with 4 human skeletons has been found at Sarai Naharrai. The cultivation of cereals first started in Neolithic age. Grains were first ever produced in Neolithic age. It was the time when people were introduced to agriculture. Koldiva and Mehergarh were the two Neolithic villages from where clear pieces of evidence of rice and wheat have been found. During the Neolithic age, the earliest evidence of the origin of agriculture has been found at which of the following places in the northwestern region of Indian subcontinent? Then answer is Mehergarh. The earliest evidence of man in India is found in Narmada Valley. In India, the first evidence of man was found in western Narmada region of Madhya Pradesh. It was discovered in 1982. The first cereal used by man was barley. There are mainly 8 types of food grains consumed by modern human society, namely barley, wheat, maize, millet, sorghum, mustard, oat, and rice. The earliest evidence of agriculture in Indian subcontinent comes from Lahura Deva. According to the latest research, the earliest evidence of agriculture in the Indian subcontinent has been reported from the Lahura Deva site in Sant Kabir Nagar district of UP. The evidence of human activity and beginning of rice cultivation at this site dates back to around 7000 to 9000 BC. Significantly, before this research, the earliest evidence of wheat was found at Mehergarh, located in Baluchistan, Pakistan, belonging to around 7000 BC. And the earliest evidence of rice is known to be near the bank of river Belan, district Allahabad, from where rice bran was found dating back to 6500 BC. Excavation at Navdatoli was conducted by H.D. Sankalia. Navdatoli has revealed excellent evidence of both round and rectangular residential structures which are located near Indore, MP. The site was excavated by H.D. Sankalia, Professor, Deccan College, Pune. This site was the most extensive excavated rural Chalcolithic site of Indian subcontinent, which is determined to be between 1600 BC and 1300 BC. In which state the Navdatoli is located? Answer is MP. In which state of India is the Harappan civilization site Mandi situated? Answer is UP. Mandi is located to the east of the Yamuna River in Muzaffarnagar district, western UP, and this area has been considered peripheral to the main distribution area of the Harappan civilization. A hoard of jewelry at Mandi was discovered during an excavation carried out by D.V. Sharma in 1999 2000.